Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a story called The Werewolf, created by me, and shoutouts to my friend, Bailey Werewolf. So let's start making the story. 3, 2, I don't know what I just clicked, but 3, 2, 1. That's rude, but okay. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know how to spell serious for some reason. I hope you can hear me. Yeah, I hope you can hear me. Yeah. Are you serious? Maybe acting the voices. Yeah, we can go. Can go. Exactly what Perth said. Yeah, we can get exactly what Perth said. Why do we have why do we always have to go on a trip? It's fun. Dumb bean. Perth comes. Oi, don't be mean. Don't be mean. It's fun. You're bad. And then they go onto the trip, deep into the woods for camping. Marshmallows. I'ma just sleep. And then Jack slept. While Jack was sleeping, a growl was near. A big growl was near. What is a comment? Add a comment line. Oh yeah, I know what it is. Like, why did he cough so loud? Growling starts happening. Okay, did you hear that? Okay, did you hear that? You're okay. And yes, I'm scared. And yes, I'm scared. And then Jack turned into a werewolf. Notice I put a moi. Notice I put a moi before my Cause I'm evil. And now that I'm super strong, I will randomly show up and destroy things. The end of part 1. Come back for part 2. Tomorrow is part 2. If this gets 50k likes or 100 subs, I will show my face. And if my friends like it, my closest friends, Official Cherry Berry and Babu, I'll show them my face. I'll show them my face review. Sorry that fell. I don't know how that fell, but okay. Yeah. Bye bye.